I've been sitting on this for a while now, and if I don't get to talk about it today, I might never do it. I'm thinking about shifting gears to a different direction. I really do love this community, but I felt like I'm just showing you all just 10% of what I can offer. Doing hair is my passion, but living in Germany as a Cameroonian woman has changed me. If you've been with me from the very beginning because of hair, don't worry, the hair videos are not going anywhere. I just have more to say than what just a tutorial will allow me to, and I want to bring you all along for the whole journey, not just hair days, so I'm moving towards lifestyle content. You're actually going to see how it feels like living in Germany, the events, the culture shocks, the weekly vlogs where we are just going to hang out. One thing I miss most especially is the taste of home. I'll be showing you how I recreate authentic Cameroonian dishes like ndole, eru, kati, using what I find at the German markets or supermarkets. We're also going to explore German events together, be it a local festival or just a Sunday routine. You're coming with me. So the hair content is not going anywhere, it's just evolving. You're going to see it in mostly my get ready with me videos while I chat and then I style along. How does that sound, right? A big technical tutorials, hairstyles that need their own space, those will get their own dedicated videos, so you don't need to worry about. If you're here actually for me, you're going to absolutely love what is coming next. Don't get me wrong, I love hair, I love doing hair, I'm very enthusiastic about it, but I just felt I'm growing out of the box. I'm so excited for this new chapter. If you've ever lived abroad or moved to a new city, let me get some comments down below. Let's know your thoughts, your experience and all that. Let's get to chat what has been up or what has been going on. So that being said, I want this channel to be a place where we talk about not only hair, beauty, but also lifestyle as a foreigner living in Germany and all that happens in between. By the way, what is that one thing in your life that you have been trying to change lately? Let's talk about it in the comments. I would really love to hear your own stories. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and see you in my next video. Here is my complete outfit of the day as it's getting a little bit warmer in Germany. It is springtime and I thought I could dress this way to go for some lunch with my girls. What do you think?